Hey everyone, welcome back to the final part of our petrol engine build series. In this video, we will be wrapping things up by installing the engine into the engine rig. As you can see here, our engine is fully assembled. Next, we will be mounting it into the engine rig. But before we do that, let's connect all the remaining components. As you can see, we are now connecting the engine harness. It's important to ensure that each connector is plugged into the correct socket and also ensure proper pin alignment to prevent poor contact. Most connectors have a unique design to prevent mismatching, but it's still good practice to double check it. If you come across any connectors that look similar, take extra care to match them correctly. If you are unsure about any connections, refer to the wiring diagram. Mismatched connectors can cause serious electrical issues. Once we have connected the engine harness, we will fill the engine with oil. The correct oil grade and capacity are crucial and are clearly specified in the service or owner manual. Always refer to it. After pouring the oil, use the dipstick to verify that the oil level is within the recommended range. Now we will mount the air filter assembly on the engine. It traps contaminants, allowing only clean air to proceed to the engine cylinders for combustion. Ensure all components are correctly aligned and secured to prevent air leaks. Connect the PCV wall hoses. After securing the engine into the rig, we will connect the engine harness to the ECM and complete the remaining wiring harness connections. Connect the fuel feed lines from the fuel tank to the fuel rail inlet port on the engine. Once we have finished connecting the fuel system, we will move on the cooling system. We will connect the upper radiator hose to the thermostat housing on the engine and the lower radiator hose to the water pump. During the fitment of a hose, avoid over tightening, which can damage the hose, and under tightening, which may lead to leaks. Employ the correct tools to ensure proper installation and prevent damage to the hoses or a clip. Let's install the engine exhaust system. Now we will add the coolant into the radiator. Refer the service manual for the correct coolant grade and capacity. If you are using concentrated coolant, make sure to mix it with distilled water according to the manufacturer's specification. Always use distilled water in your cooling system. Regular tap water contains minerals that can build up over time and cause issues within your cooling system. Check for the proper fitment of a radiator pressure cap. The pressure cap seals the radiator filler neck to prevent coolant loss and pressurize the cooling system. The pressure cap increases the boiling point of a water, which allows the engine to operate at a higher temperature and be more efficient. Finally, we will connect the battery terminals and start the engine. Thank you for watching.